As a parent, you know more than anybody else the importance of making wise financial decisions. And yet, this most crucial topic is simply missing from our school education. Most of us end up learning our money lessons by making costly mistakes. But it doesn't have to be like that for your child. Swiflearn's Money Smart is just the course to teach this nuanced topic to children in an engaging and hands on manner. Through the course, students undertake projects where they devise their own household budget, apply for a job, present the business model of a large organization, and even manage their own portfolio in a stock market simulation. A key highlight running through the course is the Swiflearn Money game, which simulates real life and where the students get a chance to apply the strategies that they learn in class to manage their course money and see how it helps them improve their net wealth. At the end of the course, every student working in sync with their teacher creates a list of their own key money learnings and emails it to their future self. If this helps them avoid even one costly financial mistake, it would cover the cost of the course many times over. Enroll your child today to become money smart and kickstart them on a journey of lifelong success.